Today I'm recreating the look from the Roksanda Spring-Summer 25 show that we recently had at London Fashion Week. The inspiration for the look was to create a very sleek, beautiful, small silhouette with some intricate detailing at the back of the head. We have a wide panel on the left-hand side, which I've clipped away, and we have also sectioned off a 2-inch section from the left-hand side of that parting. All of this will travel back into a tight, sleek, low ponytail. I'll be using the Amplify Conditioner, working through in horizontal sections and building that all the way up to the parting before then setting the hair and sleeking that into a tight ponytail. We want this to sit really flat to the head. I'm using a combination of a fine-tooth tail comb, but also the tail part of the comb. We're building up the shape with the Amplify Conditioner. We can already see this really beautiful, sleek silhouette. What I love about the Amplify Conditioner, that although in this instance we're using it because of its gel form, that it's helping to give us that hold that we need to secure the shape. Just before I move on to the side panel, I just want to set this so that it has the chance to solidify. This is now going to go into a ponytail before we then start working on this left-hand side. We're taking vertical sections, applying working hairspray, and I'm smoothing this hair in the direction that I want the roll to be in. The pins provide the perfect tool to create this really beautiful, sleek roll, and we're now securing this into the base of our head. For the final stage of this look, glow spray serum, heat protection, but also enhancing the model's natural colour, and we're just gliding the straighteners through to remove the bulk and have this really beautiful, sleek ponytail. And this is our final look, inspired by the Roksanda Spring-Summer 25 show. For this look, I used the Amplify Conditioner, the working hairspray, and the glow spray serum. If you have any questions about this look, drop them down below, and we look forward to seeing you next time.